Are you looking for info about St. George home window installation? You're in the right place. Let's explore why knowing the home window cost estimate in St. George is essential for your budget and renovations. It's important to get the right windows for your home improvement project to enhance your living space. Many homeowners make mistakes during home window installation. The first mistake is not doing proper research on window options. Always compare products and understand what fits best in your home. Remember, quality matters. Next, think about obtaining multiple quotes from professionals. Many homeowners fail to shop around, which can lead to missing out on affordable window installation prices in St. George. Understanding the home window cost estimate in St. George is crucial. Factors like material choice and installation complexities can greatly affect the price. Always ask for a detailed quote. Energy efficiency is a major concern for windows in St. George. Consider opting for energy-efficient options like triple pane installations. It might cost more up front, but saves money over time through reduced energy bills. Upgrading your windows adds value to your home. Now, while you may focus on the initial cost, always consider the long-term benefits, including improved aesthetics and durability. Get a free, no-obligation quote for your home window installation now. Contact us at 435-900-8696 or visit homewindowsstgeorge.com.